Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically no worries, this operation looks pretty similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps in your browser. So let's tap on it and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. However, if in your case this list is too long to do that manually, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and here additionally saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings in the advanced. Basically, if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully cleared the browser. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.